you ever wish you could have a dentist fresh feeling mouth every time you brush your teeth? Today, I'm here to teach you the proper brushing method and some helpful tricks to help you achieve that every time you brush. My girlfriend is a dental hygiene student, and she has taught me some very helpful techniques of how to brush and how to make my mouth feel fresher every time I brush. Hopefully I can pass that on to you today. Today we'll be talking about the proper brushing technique, helpful tricks on how to make brushing easier, and some supplemental methods after you brush. We'll begin by going over the proper brushing technique. First of all, you want to make sure you've got a proper toothbrush. That includes having one with soft bristles to avoid excess abrasion to your teeth, and one that ergonomically fits into your hand. We're going to start by going over the Bass method of brushing, which is widely considered to be one of the most effective. You'll begin by placing your toothbrush against the surface of your teeth and the gum line at a 45-degree angle. You can then start gently vibrating your toothbrush back and forth for about 10 strokes per area of the mouth. When you move to a new area, you want to make sure you overlap in the old area so that you evenly coat all surfaces of your teeth. When it's time to move to your back teeth, you want to make sure you are holding your toothbrush at a vertical angle and doing the same amount of strokes and overlapping method as before. While brushing, you also want to make sure that you're avoiding excess pressure, which can lead to gingival recession and abrasion of the teeth. Now that we've covered the proper method of brushing, let's move on to some easy and effective methods to help you brush your teeth easier. First of all, make sure you're brushing for an adequate amount of time. One way to do this is by using the count method. This includes counting the number of strokes per area of the mouth. You want to count to about 10 strokes per area and then move on to the next. You can also make sure you're brushing for an adequate amount of time by using a timer, set for anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes. This can help you stay motivated to brush longer than you normally would, and when used in combination with the count method, it is very effective in making sure you cover all areas of your teeth equally and for enough time. Using different types of brushes is also a very effective method for some people that have a hard time brushing. For example, an electric toothbrush can be very helpful for people that have a hard time with the repetitive motion that comes with toothbrushing for a long period of time. Or if you're prone to aggressive brushing, you can use a brush with extra soft bristles to make sure you avoid that abrasion and gingival recession that we talked about. Finally, we'll go over some supplemental methods to use after you brush your teeth. First of all, you can just brush off your tongue after you've brushed your teeth, which helps to combat bad breath and bacteria buildup on your teeth. This can let you feel even fresher. You can also floss. This is one of the most important supplemental methods and is very simple to do, yet a lot of people often neglect it. You want to wrap the floss around both of your fingers, get it around your tooth, hug and scrub around your tooth, move it up and down, and then move to the second tooth. After you've done both of those, it's helpful to often use mouthwash, which can give your breath a fresh scent and leave it feeling extra clean. Now that we've gone over how to properly brush your teeth, some tricks of making it easier, and supplemental methods, you can brush your teeth and have a dentist fresh feeling every time you brush. I hope I've helped you today in learning how to properly brush your teeth, how to make brushing easier for you, and how to properly use these supplemental methods effectively. Thank you.